Hey everyone, and welcome back to CryptoNinjas. Today, we're diving into a fascinating new project on the blockchain AI frontier, Holoworld AI. We will break down what it is, how it works, what's going on in its ecosystem, and the role of its native token, HOLO, as well as covering the HOLO hodler airdrop program on Binance and predicting on the HOLO price after being listed. Now, before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe to Crypto Ninjas for more crypto contents, and make sure to use our Binance referral code on the screen for 20% off our trading fees and up to $100 in new user bonus. Thank you very much. So first, what even is Holoworld AI? In the simplest term, it's a decentralized app store for artificial intelligence agents and AI-powered experiences that live on the blockchain. Picture a place where the creators, like developers or artists, can build AI agents that talk, act, create, interact, and even publish them on Holoworld for others to discover, use, and even own. Everything is run on chain, most specifically BNB chain and Solana, making it fast and scalable. Now, HoloWorld isn't just about apps, it's about an entire creative ecosystem. At the core, there are three main parts. First up is the Avastudio, a platform where AI agents handle the entire video creation process, from script writing to editing to lifelike avatar performances. What makes it amazing is that it gives creators, businesses, and influencers the power to produce professional quality content at scale without needing a full production team. It's like having your own 24/7 AI powered media studio in your pocket. Next, there is HoloLaunch, the AI native launchpad, where you can easily run pre sales or fail launches, customize royalties, rewards, and economic design for your token, and then explore and participate in new launches as an investor. Then there is the AI live streaming, where you can stream 24/7 with your virtual characters. All of this forms the Holo World ecosystem, a place where creative, cultural, and technical worlds meet. Their partners include big names in IP and NFTs like Pucci Penguin and My Lady. HoloWorld has received support from also well-known investors and institutions such as Polychain, Linkin Park, the founder of BRC20 Domo, the co-founder of BitMEX Arthur Hayes, a VP of engineering at OpenAI, and more. That mix of technical, creative, and financial muscle is what gives this project depth. There are a lot more about HoloWorld, so make sure to do your research. Now let's move on to the second part, how HoloWorld works. First, go to the website at HoloWorld and start creating your agents. Click on Create here, or you can click on Create Agents. This is where you can customize different things about your agents, like the image or the avatar of your agents, the name, the nickname, the bio, category, aka their origin, the goal, the genre, the characters, and etc. And then you can also select the voice among these 7 different voices. And then you can also select the AI model that your agent will be based on. After that, you can customize their personalities. You can choose a basic template or an extrovert, introvert, or a custom template. For first-time user, I recommend choosing the basic one to test things out. When you are more familiar with the platform, you can custom build your own agent's personality. Next is the knowledge. Now, this is where you can feed the data to your agents to make them more knowledgeable. For example, if you are building a moderator AI, you can upload your GitHub, your links to your documents to a project, and then the AI will learn everything about it and can answer the community's questions. And finally, you can customize the 2D and 3D avatar of your agents for future usage. After you're done, you can start chatting with your agent. Next, you can stake your AVA token to earn rewards. Remember, HoloWorld also has a launchpad for their agent, so you can scroll down here and just select any agent that you like and you can purchase them immediately. Next is the Avastudio. Now for the Avastudio, it's a little bit more complicated and it takes a bit more time because it's a video creation engine. Now you can create different videos based on existing templates like down here, or you can describe what you want to create and the studio will do it for you. There are a few things that you can do, like you can upload an image or video, or you can also upload a script or the sound effect as well as the background music and a avatar video. So it's pretty much within your creativity. So go nuts and try it out.
Like the video and subscribe to CryptoNinjas boys. Like, seriously, subscribe. Or your dad's gay, and YouTube.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Next, let's talk about the HOLO token, the native utility token that fuels everything. Now, HOLO is the base currency powering HOLO World. It's required to launch AI agents, provide liquidity, stake, participate in governance, and interact with the platform's apps. Here's the full tokenomics breakdown. So the total supply is about 2 billion and 48 million tokens. For ecosystem and marketing, there's about 13.11% of the tokens, which is unlocked. Some will be unlocked at launch, and the rest over 12 months. For the community and growth, about 20.93%. The foundation, 18.4%. The team, 15.6%. Advisors, about 3.5%. Investors 13.46, liquidity, and also the airdrop 10% for the early contributors. So the initial circulating supply would be around 17%, which is about 348 million HOLO tokens. Here is the vesting terms. And the interesting is when it comes to the community airdrop, as you can see, it will be vested. Around 30% will be released at the TGE, then followed by a 6-month linear unlock. For the team investors and advisors, their token will be locked for 1 year and then linearly released over the next 36 months. They recently announced the HOLO Genesis airdrop, and it's very interesting. Here's the airdrop claim details. So you have to follow this link to check your eligibility, and the claim will open on September 11th at 11 a.m. UTC. The claim windows will be within 60 days, so be really fast. There are two supported chains like BNB Chain and Solana. And obviously, the Genesis airdrop allocation will be 6% for Ava stakers, 1.5% for Avastudio users, 1% for agent market creators, and 1.5% for 3D Pudgy Penguin hologram holders and HoloPass NFT holders. So it's interesting that they reward to the Ava stakers and the 3D NFT holders rather than the actual user of the studio and also the agent market creators. Now, they're also on the Binance HODLer airdrop program, so this is all the details. The total rewards for the HODLer airdrop program is about 30 million tokens, or about 1.5% of max token supply. An additional 10 million tokens will be allocated for marketing campaigns after the spot listing, and another 30 million tokens will be allocated into future marketing campaigns 6 months later. If you want to be eligible for this HODLer program, it's very simple. You have to subscribe your BNB to Simple Earn, Flexible, or Locked, and or on-chain yield products from August 29th, 0 UTC, to September 1st, about September 2nd, 0 UTC, to get the airdrops distribution. So it's way past now. You cannot join. But keep in mind, that's what the HODLer program is. They basically reward the BNB stakers in the past. So you have to stake your BNB now in order to receive future HODLer programs. Now let's talk about the price prediction of HOLO World Token, HOLO. On some pre-markets like MEXC, the current price is at about 25 cents. And on Whales Market, the pre-market price is at about 23 cents. Now, at the current FTV of about 2 billion tokens, this price is around $500 million in FTV, fully diluted value. And with the initial circulating supply of about 347 million tokens, then with the 25-cent pre-market price, the market cap would be at around 86 to about $90 million. I think the pre-market price is a little bit on the low end. In my opinion, HOLO World can launch at about $600 to $700 million in FTV, aka about 30 to 34 cents per token, and then slowly going down to about 23 to 25 cents after 1 or 2 days of listing. And then it's going to be traded at around that price, at around 25 cents, before making its way up to about 34 to about 40 cents, depending on the market situation. And that's it for my video about HOLO World AI. We covered what it is, how it works, what the ecosystem of HOLO World consists of, and then talk about the Binance HODLer program and HOLO price prediction. Comment down below what you think the price of HOLO is going to be after listing. And like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas. And use our Binance referral code for 20% off of trading fees and up to $100 in new user bonus. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in our next video. Daily out.